Hey y'all, today I want to show y'all how to break down long passages and scripts. If you're into like acting, doing theater and stuff like that. So I already got like some stuff here, but let's take this line, this passage right here, right? Um Corey, I'm gonna do that. There's some fellas down there, da 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 da. So say like you have to like memorize this, right? But it's like you don't really want to just like read this over and over and you want to like memorize it quickly, right? Now there's a way you could do that, and it's helped me a lot because I do stuff on stage sometimes. So the way you would do it, memorize it like faster than you want to in like a fast way, is that like you would take like got my pencil right here. You would take the first letter of every single word and you will just write that down. So let's say so for instance, I'm gonna write the first sentence with just like I'm gonna write that first sentence down. Corey dot 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 put a slash. You know I'm still gonna do that. Pencil broke. Do that. Then you put a period. That's the end of that sentence. And then you would just move on to the next sentence. There's some fellas down there. There's some fellas down there. The fellas down there. And we got us a band. Dot, dot, dot. We got us a band. And we gonna try to stay together when we get out. And we gonna try to stay together when we get out. Period. So the passage is Corey, Corey, I'm still gonna do that. There's some fellas down there and we got us a band and we gonna try to stay together when we get out. And you just take that for like you do this for every long passage that you got, and you will memorize it in a timely manner, in a quick way. And I know it can be like a little tedious. It can get a little tedious after a while. I will be honest with you. But I promise you, like if you do that, if you just do that, practice your lines that way, especially if they long, you will learn it quick. This has helped me countless times. And scripts I've had to memorize, like if I do it this way, I'll probably have like a long passage in the script memorized in like maybe like 2 days max if I do it that way instead of like just reading it like this, like you could memorize it doing like just reading it this way, but it could take you like a lot longer to do that. It might take you like dang near like a week just to memorize like let me see. Cause there's another character in this book. And he got a lot of long lines. I just try to find one. Like this book is from the story Fences, if you know about that, which is a show that I'm currently doing right now for the summer. But let's take like we got Troy Max in here. Now you see this? You see how many words that is that you just gotta memorize? I promise you, if you do like the one letter trick, you can learn this in a faster way if you do it that way. Now it can get a little tedious, but you know, I mean everything that's like that you want out of life will probably take some effort and some time to do, and you just gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. But you know, like doing it this way, and that's like some more like that's another time I was doing it. But doing it that way can like help you get it down quick. So that is how I memorize lines. So yeah, I hope this helps.